Maraming salamat naman sa inyong pagsali, JR, Adrian, Shine, at Christine. Makatanggap pa rin kayo ng 5,000 pesos.
The moment of epic action and non-stop excitement. It's the ultimate family experience. Marvel Universe Live. This is one show not to be missed at SM Hall of Asia.
Sa iyo, sarap at laki, Sol! Sawang nasal, chicken nasal.
Anong ginagawa ko rito? Need ko level up.
Ako naman. Sandali. Sige, bro. O, dadada, bro.
Ano ba gawin ni Tatay La?
Susunod na lang ako sa'yo. Oh.
Ano sinasabi mo? So, gaano nakatagal?
Gaano katagal ang alin?
Muna sa kanya.
Sandali, bakit ako?
Ikaw ang pasimuno nito.
Oo na, sige, sasabihin ko na. Ang totoo, Mr. Kasama, nandito kami.
Ibigay buong puso at damdamin. Di ako makararanas na lumuha ka.
Binuhay kita dahil that is one of your purpose. Kasi nung iniwan ko sa sir ng 15 years ago, sir, dahil na-reassign yung unit namin, nagtuloy-tuloy ako contact sa
No infringement committed by Nigel Hayes-Davis. Heard during the course of the conversation between the officials that it was judged to have been a basketball movement.
Walk Ron de los Reyes at this is a very familiar grill, the 7 Grill opening.
Kasi hindi na kailangan ng motivation, 'di ba? Mas realistic, 'di ba?
Tingnan natin.
I think that's doable too.
Oo.
Parang...
Ano ka ba, love? Kayang-kaya mo yan? Ang sarap kaya ng timpla mo. Sigurado ako maraming tao makaka-appreciate.
Experience.
But soon they were lining up to ask him for advice, which he's happy to provide. They've joined forces to found a cooperative so they can all benefit from his methods.
I started using organic fertilizers 3 years ago with Dong's help. I've learned a lot from him. Everything takes longer, but it's more